Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am going to tell you about how to fix frozen screen in your Poco smartphone. So let's start the video friends. If you are facing your stuck screen and apps are not moving and opening, it is taking time, so how you can fix it? So firstly you have to open your settings, scroll down, click on applications, click on manage applications, click on three dots and enable show all apps. Right here Google Play services. So here it is. Tap on here, then click on storage, clear cache, clear data, and then friends again you have to write here Android settings. So you have to click on clear cache again, and then friends you have to press back and you have to just release some of your storage, like you can see if there is any files, documents, apps, applications and documents are there that are not useful, and if they are taking more storage you have to just release some of your storage and clear all the unuseful data on your smartphone and do a software reset, software update. You can first do a software update, then restart your smartphone and your smartphone will be fixed. If not, you have to go to your nearby service center. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.